that you need 3 A4 sheets. If your leaf is big, then 3. If your leaf is small, then it'll be done in about 1. And if your leaf is in whichever size that compares to the paper. And then the next thing you will need is a white crayon, any wax crayon, then some watercolor, thread and tape. So let's start with this garland. So first I'm going to take one page and keep these other 2 pages aside, and then we are going to use our white crayon to outline the leaf. So guys, you can use a maple leaf. A maple leaf is very pretty. So now I'm outlining it. Be sure you're using a white crayon or any wax crayon. If you tilt the page, then you will be able to see your drawing like that, or else you can see it in the light. If you put your mobile light underneath it, you'll be able to see it like that. And guys, outline the stem as well, like that. And outline it. So see guys, I put the flashlight or any mobile torch so you can see it. See, I have done the outline of my leaf. So guys, see, now after that you can make any line. I am making like this line. You can see like this, any line, anywhere, or you can make like any pattern, shape, or whatever you want, like that. If you tilt it, you can see it, like that, like this, like that. This looks like triangles, like that. Any small, big, medium lines. So guys, I think you will be asking me, why are we using the white crayon? So guys, this white crayon is an wax crayon and oil pastel. If we put watercolors on top of wax crayons, it does not cover the crayon. So because of that, you will be able to see the white lines like this. So after this has been done, you need to cut this. Guys, we first have to color it, then cut it. Any color of your choice. You can use you have to use watercolor. And then see guys, it will work like magic. Look guys, any color of your choice. So guys, first we are going to color it with watercolor because then it will be easier to see the lines. So it is fine if you go out of line because we are going to cut it anyways. So that's fine as well if you go out of line. And then we can see the line. So if you cover it like that, you'll be able to see the line easily. So choose any color what goes next to each other in a combo like this. Go with your favorite colors. I'm using magenta, blue, then pink as well, and then after that green. And those are my colors. You can choose any color what's in a combo. So mostly they are cool colors and just not the pink. Any color of your choice. You can use a little bit of water to blend them nicely. And then some. So see guys how it's working like magic. And then after this has been dry, don't forget dry, then you can go over and cut it up. So see guys, it has been cut in. It looks very beautiful, and I'm going to tell you an easier way to cut it. See guys, this is 2 paper right here. So then this is 2 paper. I'm going to fold it nicely in half, and then we can put this on top, then we will have to cut it, and then we'll get 6 pieces easily. So see, the cutouts are ready. I'm going to repeat this pattern on all of these plain white leaves. So I have 6 in total. You can use more or less compared to how long is your thread. So you can see the 6. And then now I'm going to color all of them the same way, and then we're going to stick them on the thread, and then we'll get a leaf garland. So let's begin to color all of them. So see, all of the cutouts have been painted and ready. Now we are going to glue it using Fevicol on the threads. So here we are going to apply 1 drop, and then with the help of the stem you have to glue it. So like that you have to continue gluing on all of the with all of the 6 pieces. Like that. So see guys, this is the panel, this is the leaf panel. You can make this for wall decors, or you can even use this for birthday parties. Look guys, or you can use this to decor, use this in any parties. So see guys how beautiful these panels look. And so see guys, if you like this, give this video a like, and thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell as well.